Hello, family. How y'all doing? Business Boss Housewife, BTL911 on YouTube, all about family and fun and travel investments. But I had a lady that was telling me about these traveling cubes to put your stuff in. It would take up less room, she said. She said she noticed that we travel a lot, and she said, why don't you try them and see how much you could put on it? But I noticed that Amazon had some nice ones for 7 of them. I think I paid maybe $30 for 7 of these, and they come in all different sizes, you guys. They are nice. I mean, you have the strap on each one of them, and they that's the brand. They are real nice. They have breathing material in them with the net, and you get 7 of them. So I'm gonna try a few of them on vacation and see how they work. But yes, you could pack a lot. I mean, in this right here, I have 7 outfits. I can't believe 7 outfits fit in here. So you can fit 7 outfits, 7 shirts, 7 shorts, and 7 underwears in there. And then you have the other one if you just want to pack underwears in here or shirts in here. They are nice. The zippers is real supported. Let me show you the zippers. That's the zipper from Amazon. They come in different colors, and you have a size like this, and then you get a smaller size, and then you get 5 of the big size ones, which are nice. You don't have to fill them up, but they are real nice to travel with. So if you're traveling, try these cubes. They're nice. Y'all have a happy holiday, getting ready to travel.